the last piece is about reporting, right? So of those four things, we talked about rating, packing, rules, and now reporting. So of course, everyone loves their data, needs their data, wants their data. How do you get it from us? A few ways, really. So let's go to up top here. If you are an admin user or a shipping manager within our platform by role, when you log in, you're greeted with the command and control dashboard. I don't think it needs a lot of explanation because if you look at it, you know exactly what it's trying to tell you. But key highlights here, I would say, number one, looking at, I think performance is the biggest one here, something you may not be able to glean as easily today. Understanding how good are your carriers really at the end of the day. So for instance, perhaps you use a hyper regional one, maybe like Speedy, or using something like LaserShip, something like that, where yes, their rates they're stunning. They're so good, but their on-time delivery is not so great. You can be able to glean that from there. So maybe an opportunity to diversify, move volume to somebody else, helping you make those important business decisions here just with a simple dashboard. This is one of the dashboards. The other visual tool as part of the base platform is the weekly shipping performance here. So just more week over week trend within the platform. So again, not a lot of explanation here. Obviously, these two are pretty clear. As far as the value that ShipHawk's providing, right? You say, well, where does that come from? So is it versus published? Because that's cheating. Cool thing is that it's not. What it's actually doing is showing you how much we've optimized, right? So versus the same level of service where your negotiated rates, you made better choices here, and here's the difference of that. So how much value are you really being provided by using the ShipHawk platform and decision automation features? Then underneath here, just kind of like KPI stuff, who's crushing it, who should be hanging with whom to get a little bit better, and more things, and then fun facts about logistics, which is why we're all here. And then which week you're looking at right here. So this is part of the base platform. Other ways to get information, get your data from ShipHawk. Number one, a little more of a blunt tool, but super effective. If you just want shipment data to be kicked out to a CSV, here it is. So create a new report. What data points you're looking for? What date or date range? Create it. That's going to kick out that CSV. Then you get to run all of your favorite formulas and macros on it. So that's another way of getting information from us. Also, highlight again, we have that Open REST API. So if you want to integrate your best-in-class business intelligence solution with ShipHawk, more than free. REST query language is fully in play here. And then last, if none of that was exciting enough, then here at ShipHawk, we actually use Looker as our business intelligence solution. So we figure, okay, well, we're pretty good with it. And we have your data. So let's just offer this as another service here. So this is an example of one of those. It could be fancy. It can be more a dashboard type of reporting via Looker. Looker is an insanely powerful tool. So I've used it before, you know what you're getting here. And then this is one here, just heat map, kind of KPI type of stuff. And we can also kick out just kind of, straight data. This is all distributed via email as well to whichever emails at whatever interval you want. And this basically, this kind of service we offer, you get to work with our account management and revenue and sales operations teams who are pretty slick with this stuff. So